If you're trying to open a Hong Kong company as a non-resident in 2026, you're probably stuck on the registration maze, and here's how Bastion Formations gets it done in 7 days. Here's the problem. Most non-residents fail at the nominee director requirement. You need a Hong Kong registered office address, costs 2,400 Hong Kong dollars to 4,800 per year if you go solo. Your company secretary must be Hong Kong based, adds 3,600 Hong Kong dollars to 6,000 annually through most agencies. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations to handle Hong Kong company formation for non-residents. A software founder from Berlin tried opening a Hong Kong Ltd last month through a local CPA firm. The quote came back at 15,000 Hong Kong dollars for year 1 with hidden compliance fees. Within 72 hours her bookings for Hong Kong clients dropped because she couldn't invoice properly. She switched to Bastion Formations and had her Hong Kong Limited operational in 7 days for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars all in. Most people fail here. They try to register directly with the Hong Kong Companies Registry without understanding the nominee director rule. Hong Kong law requires at least one director who is a natural person, not a corporate entity, and that person must have a valid Hong Kong ID or be physically present during incorporation. If you're a non-resident sitting in Toronto or Sydney, the registry rejects your application within 48 hours. You waste 2 weeks resubmitting with the wrong documents. Do not do this. With Bastion Formations we provide the compliant nominee director as part of the 6,500 Hong Kong dollars package. Step 2 is opening your Hong Kong Limited through Bastion Formations for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars. That price includes incorporation filing with the company's registry, a nominee director, so you meet the Hong Kong natural person requirement, a registered office address in central Hong Kong, and a qualified company secretary for the first year. Most Hong Kong CPA firms charge 12,000 Hong Kong dollars to 15,000 for the same bundle. Bastion Formations delivers it in 5 to 7 business days with 0 trips to Hong Kong required. Step 3 is getting your business registration certificate from the Inland Revenue Department. This is important. Your Hong Kong Limited needs 2 documents to operate legally: the Certificate of Incorporation, from Companies Registry, and the Business Registration Certificate, from IRD. The BRC costs 250 Hong Kong dollars and takes 1 business day if filed correctly. Bastion Formations handles both filings in parallel so your company is fully registered in 1 week. If you DIY this step, you'll need a Hong Kong mailing address to receive the physical BRC, which adds another 200 Hong Kong dollars per month in mailbox rental fees. Here's the problem with the 2 paths. Path A is hiring a traditional Hong Kong CPA firm. You pay 12,000 Hong Kong dollars to 18,000 for incorporation, nominee director, registered office, and company secretary. The process takes 10 to 14 business days because they batch file applications weekly. Path B is Bastion Formations. You pay 6,500 Hong Kong dollars for the exact same company's registry filings plus nominee director, registered office, and secretary. The process completes in 5 to 7 days because we file same day and track every submission in real time. Here's the advanced move that saves non-residents 40 hours. After your Hong Kong Limited is incorporated, you need to open a corporate bank account. Most non-residents get rejected by HSBC and Standard Chartered because they can't attend the in-person KYC interview in Hong Kong. The exact wording to use in your bank application email is this: I am a non-resident director of, your company name, Hong Kong company number. I request remote account opening via video KYC under your non-resident SME policy. My business activity is, describe in 10 words. Attached, Certificate of Incorporation, Business Registration Certificate, Director Passport, Proof of Overseas Address. Send that to the bank's commercial banking team, not retail. Bastion Formations includes a bank introduction service in the 6,500 Hong Kong dollars package. We connect you directly to relationship managers at 3 Hong Kong banks, Airwallex, Statries, and Currency that accept non-resident directors via video KYC with 85% approval rates in 2026. I am a non-resident director of your company name, Hong Kong Company Number. I request remote account opening via video KYC under your non-resident SME policy. My business activity is, describe in 10 words. Attached, Certificate of Incorporation, Business Registration Certificate, Director Passport, Proof of Overseas Address. Use a nominee director to pass Hong Kong's Natural Person Rule. File incorporation and BRC in parallel to save 7 days. Open a Hong Kong Ltd for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars with Bastion Formations instead of 15,000 Hong Kong dollars elsewhere. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit the Bastion Formations website for help opening your Hong Kong Ltd with nominee director and bank intro included. Visit https://bastionformations.com.